Honor 9N aims to provide much of what the Honor 9 Lite did right: premium looks, decent cameras, and passable battery life. With the Honor 9N, the company has not changed the phone design or internals. Rather, it has added a notched screen and made the Honor 9 available in vibrant shades of lavender purple, midnight black, robinette blue, and sapphire blue. Here's what I think about the smartphone. Taking cues from the Honor 9 Lite, this has a reflective glass back, giving it a mirror-like finish. The phone is available in a dash of color options. The design is appealing, but the glossy back is prone to attract smudges and fingerprints. Honor 9 sports a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display, which in my opinion is bright and colorful. The screen size and the resolution is perfect for watching YouTube videos or your favorite Netflix shows. This is the year of the notch, and the Honor 9 jumps on the trend. A small cutout on the screen contains a selfie camera, earpiece, speakers, and sensors. Honor 9N is powered by an octa-core Kirin 659 chipset coupled with either 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM depending upon which model you choose. Apps load much faster, and I was able to run all graphic-intensive games such as Tekken or Asphalt 8. The 3000 mAh battery is decent, if not the best in class. In my week-long testing, Honor 9N lasted a day on a single charge. It runs on a customized version of Android dubbed EMUI 8.0, which is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. I still believe a lot needs to be done to make EMUI intuitive, which sadly is not the case. Honor 9N has a dual camera setup on the back, comprising of a 13-megapixel primary shooter and 2-megapixel secondary camera. One camera captures image details, while the other measures depth of field information, producing images with bokeh effects. The cameras are capable of taking good shots, but mostly outdoors. Low light isn't that great, but it isn't terrible either. I wish the camera could have been better. The 16-megapixel selfie camera is good, but struggles to produce natural shots in indoor locations. The Honor 9N costs Rs 11,999 for the base model, and the top version costs around 17,999. You can nab one in either 32GB or 64GB or 128GB. Honor 9N is a good smartphone, and most people who are planning to buy one will not regret their decision. But keep in mind that the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro is a solid phone in the same price bracket.